I made the mistake of having Mr. Tire fix a flat when I was in a pinch. They scratched my wheel here, scuffed the edge here, left a scratch that ran over halfway around the wheel, and left what looks like a clamp mark here. My friend highly recommended alloy wheel repair specialists, and conveniently, they're right down the road. They're charging me $129 to repair the wheel, and it should only take about an hour. They have their pricings clearly displayed up on the wall, which are pretty reasonable, along with various examples of their work. Here's a closer look at some of the colors that they offer. And they do painting and powder coating. Looks like they have more colors on swatches. The finishes on their example wheels look flawless. The tech confirmed my wheel was damaged from improper mounting. They also included this wheel care and maintenance guide that I'll have to read through, especially since they had to repaint and clear coat parts of the wheel. As for the results, it looks perfect. I can't even tell the rim is scuffed here. The scratch that went over halfway around the edge is completely gone. Unfortunately, there's still some minor damage here because of how hard Mr. Tire's machines clamped down on the wheel's face. They also found and repaired additional clamp damage along the spokes. I'm very happy with the work, and the finish matches the original perfectly. If you need your wheels repaired, I recommend checking them out. They have multiple locations across the US. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.